in his famous Allahabad address, made it clear that Islam has its own social and economic system, and to implement it, a political entity was required. When Jinnah came back to India to recognize Muslim League and to make it a political party of the Muslim masses, he got the opportunity to interact with Iqbal. Iqbal, through his letters, tried to persuade Jinnah that the only solution available was a separate state for the Indian Muslims, where they could spend their lives according to the teachings of Holy Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. With the clarity of mind and backing of the Muslims community behind him, Quaid-e-Azam called for the 27th annual session of the All India Muslim League to be held from March 22nd to 24th at Lahore in 1940. The venue of the session was Minto Park near Badshahi Masjid and Lahore Fort. The inaugural session was planned at around 3 in the afternoon on March 22nd. People started coming in the morning, and by the afternoon the park was jam-packed. Scenes never seen before in the city of Lahore were witnessed. According to the eyewitnesses who were present on that day in Lahore, some around 100,000 attended the public meeting. The All India Muslim Resolution of March 1940, commonly known as Pakistan Resolution, is undoubtedly the most important event that changed the course of Indian history and left deep marks on world history. With the passage of this resolution, the Muslims of the subcontinent changed their demands to a separate state. This resolution rejected the idea of a united India, and the creation of an independent Muslim state was set as their ultimate goal. It gave new energy and courage to the Muslims of the region who gathered around Quaid-e-Azam from the platform of the Muslim League to struggle for their freedom. The dynamic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam and the commitment and devotion of the followers made it possible for them to achieve an independent state within the next 7 years from 1940. And that too when the odds were against them. Thank you for watching.